Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Stitches. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Today we will discuss about candle cross stitch patterns. Candle stitch patterns are beautiful and elegant design used in hand embroidery, particularly in traditional candle making and home decor. Here are some classic and modern candle stitch patterns. Classic candle stitch patterns. Simple candle alternating straight stitches create a sleek and modern look. Candle flame curved stitches evoke a flickering flames. Holly leaf intricate stitches from holly leaves around the candles. Pomegranate seeds, leaves, and create a lush fruit inspired designs. Victorian candles indicate floral patterns and scroll work. Modern candle stitch patterns are the geometric candles, chevrons, hexagons, or triangles create a contemporary look. Whimsical woodland leaves, acorns, and forest creatures, and seashell candles, shell inspired designs, and oceanic motifs. Boho chick free inspired electric patterns with beads and charms. Mid century modern, retro inspired geometric patterns. Stitches use straight stitch, satin stitch, long and short stitch, French knot, stem stitch, back stitch, chain stitch. Herringbone stitch. Tips and variations experiment with thread colors and textures, add beads, sequins, or charms for embellishment. Combine stitches for unique textures, use different fabric types, create personalized designs with monograms or names. Resources: embroidery books and patterns, online tutorial, embroidery communities, social media platform. Classic candle stitch patterns are timeless and elegant design used in hand embroidery. Here are some traditional candle stitch patterns. Simple candle stitch pattern. Alternating straight stitches create a sleek and modern look, ideal for beginner. Candle flame stitch. Curved stitches evoke a flickering flame. Work in satin stitch or long and short stitch. Add warmth and movements. Holly leaf stitch. Intricate stitches with holly leaves. Combine satin, stem, and French knot stitches festive and elegant. Pomegranate stitches. Seeds and leaves create a lush design. Use satin stem and long and short stitches. Symbolize abundance and prosperity. Victorian candle stitch, intricate floral patterns and scroll work. Combine satin stem and French knot stitches. Exquisite and ornate cable stitch. Twisted stitches resemble rope work in satin stitch or long and short stitch. Add textures and interest. Shell stitch, shell inspired design, use satin stem and French knot stitches, delicate and charming. Stitches use satin stitch, long and short stitch, French knot, stem stitch, back stitch, chain stitch, and herringbone stitch. Tips: always use high quality embroidery flows, choose suitable fabric, linen, cotton, or silk, maintain even tension, use hoop or frame for stability, and modern candle stitch patterns. Modern candle stitch patterns offer fresh and creative designs for hand embroidery. Here are some contemporary candle stitch patterns. Geometric pattern. Geometric patterns, chevron candles, alternating chevrons in bright colors. Hexagon hive, interlocking hexagon with contrasting threads. Triangle tapestry, geometric triangles in bold colors. Nature inspired design. Blooming florals, whimsical flowers and leaves. Woodland wonder, trees, all and forest creatures. Seashell serenade shell inspired design with oceanic motifs. Abstract patterns. Splatter art, dynamic splattered threads, ombre washes, gradating colors create a modern look. Boho chic free spirited electric patterns with beads, seasonal patterns, winter snowflake, delicate icy designs, spring florals, vibrant flowers, and greenery. Autumn sleeve, golden, crimson, and orange hues. Stitches use back stitch, herringbone stitch, chain stitch, French knot, long and short stitch, satin stitch. Tips and variation, experiment with thread colors and textures, add beads, sequins or charms, combine stitches for unique textures, use different fabric types, linen, cotton and silk. Create personalized design with monogram. Innovative materials, specialty threads, metallic, variegated, unconventional fabrics, denim and leather, beads, sequins or charms, fox, leather or vinyl. Here are some tips and tricks for candle stitch pattern. General tips. Choose suitable fabric, linen, cotton or silk. Use high quality embroidery flows. Maintain even tension, use hook or frame for stability. Stitching tips. Start with simple stitches, e.g. straight and back stitch. Use contrasting threads or visibility. Vary stitch length for textures, keep stitches consistent. Use needle threaders for ease. Candle specific tips. Use satin stitch for smooth and shiny surfaces, long and short stitch for gradient effect, French knot for textured gradient, stem stitch for outlining, chain stitch for filling. Design tips. Balance composition with symmetry, experiment with colors and textures, add embellishment, beads, sequence, consider theme and oceans, keep design simple for beginning. Troubleshooting uneven tension, adjust stitching for use stabilizer, thread breakers, use quality threads, avoid pulling distorted designs, restitch or repad fabric. Low stitch, use magnify or tracing paper. Innovative ideas, mixed media, embroidery plus painting appliques, create 3D effect with padding, design personalized gift. Candle stitch patterns can be categorized into various types. Seasonal candle stitch pattern design, whimsical candle stitch patterns, embroidery style candle stitch, theme based candle stitch designs, seasonal candle stitch designs, nature inspired candle stitch pattern, geometric candle stitch pattern. Candle stitch pattern can be categorized into various types based on design, stitch usage and theme. Traditional candle stitch patterns include Victorian candles, holly leaf, pomegranate, cable stitch, and sash stitch. Geometric candle stitch patterns include chevron candles, hexagon, hive, triangle, tapestry, diamond patterns, geometric floral. Nature inspired candle stitch patterns include blooming florals, woodland wonders, seashell serenade, and leafy green and floral wreaths. Abstract candle stitch patterns. Splatter art, ombre oasis, boho chic and abstract florals. Geometric abstract. Seasonal candle stitch patterns. Winter snowflake, spring florals. Autumn leaves, summer blooms, holiday theme design. Whimsical candle stitch pattern, fantasy creatures, cartoon characters, quickly designs, humorous sayings, playful patterns. Embroidery style candle stitch patterns, cross stitch, satin stitch, long and short stitch, French knot and black work. Theme based candle stitch patterns, wedding and anniversary, birthdays, celebrations, holiday and seasonal, inspirational, motivational, memorial and tribute. These categories can help you find the perfect candle stitch patterns for your next project. So this is for today's video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question related to this video, leave the comment in the comment section. See you soon in the next video.